In today's video, I will make a full review of RewardXP, a website where you can earn real cash by answering surveys and exploring offers. I will also withdraw a payment via PayPal and show you my payment proof. To sign up to RewardXP and get your first 5,000 points, click on the link in the description below to get to this page and then sign in with Google or Facebook. Before I go into more detail, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in making a small extra income. I upload new content every week with different ways to make money online and often show you my personal payment proof. So I'm now logged into RewardXP, and on the left of the page, you can see I currently have 52,160 points. In Redeem, the first thing I want to show you are the payment methods. So you can get paid via Steam, PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon, Visa prepaid cards, etc. With PayPal, the minimum withdrawal amount is $5, and it will cost you 50,000 points to redeem, meaning 10,000 points is worth $1. Bitcoin has a minimum withdrawal amount of $10 or 100,000 points. If you don't already have a Bitcoin wallet, you can get one from Coinbase. Make sure to click on my referral link in the description to get €9.48 or the equivalent of $10 worth of Bitcoin when you buy or sell €94.80 or $100. To get a Visa prepaid card, the minimum is $5. The only problem with that is if you're from outside the US, merchants will take a 2% fee. To get paid via Steam, the minimum withdrawal amount is $10, and I will let you look at the other ones. There might be different options depending on where you live. I will now withdraw my payment via PayPal as I have enough to withdraw $5. So you just need to enter your email address associated with your PayPal account and hit submit. It looks like it will take up to 48 hours to process the request, so I will pause the recording later and then show you my payment proof towards the end of this video. Now, how can you earn? On the home page, you can already see some featured offers, such as Crossout, where you can earn over 26,000 points. All you need to do is register, play, and win 6 games. With War Thunder, you can earn over 52,000 points, and the same rules apply. This offer is brought to you by OfferToro, an offer wall I will show you in a minute. So to qualify for this offer, you will need to play on PC, PS4 or PS5, or on Xbox Series, X or S. Back to the home page, click on Earn to see the list of ways to earn points. By default, everything from surveys and offers are showing. The best is to filter from the top. In surveys, you can choose any of them from this list. In my personal experience, CPX Research pays the best when answering surveys. Here, for example, you can earn 3,380 points in 6 minutes, or 9,100 points in 9 minutes, 14,040 points in 10 minutes, etc. Make sure to always choose the ones with the highest ratings first. I will let you discover the other ones, so let's now move on to the offers. OfferToro is the one I was mentioning earlier. War Thunder is also located here, as you can see, where you can earn over 52,000 points. You also have some games that you can play on your phone, such as Solitaire Grand Harvest. The goal here is to reach Crop 8 within 8 days to earn over 44,000 points. By default, they show all the offers available. You can filter out by mobile apps, desktop, or surveys. With mobile apps, you can also select Android or iPhone. Android has many ways to earn by playing games, a lot more than iPhones. You can earn 178,000 points for playing this game. The only catch is that you need to reach level 21, and I have no idea how long this will take, as I haven't tried this offer. For iPhone users, the list is much smaller, but you can still find a few interesting offers. On desktop, you can see the 2 games I showed you earlier, and a few more down the list. There are also ways to earn points by signing up to websites. Some include depositing money to online casinos, like Live Casino here, where you can deposit €20 and get back the equivalent of approximately $16. In the Surveys tab, you can sign up to some of these websites to earn some points. With Online Panel Net, you will need to earn 777 points completing surveys or tasks, and you will be credited over 9,000 points in RewardXP. In the Videos tab, there are 2 third-party websites where you can earn points: Hideout TV and Loot.tv. These are both very similar websites where you can earn points and then transfer them directly to RewardXP. I made reviews about these 2 websites, so I will put the links in the description below. Hideout TV offers many different videos that you can watch just like you would see on YouTube, such as how to make an easy vegan mayonnaise, to funny dogs reaction caught on security camera. They also have a list of different websites, all linked to Hideout TV, so you can watch more specific content. So it's basically a streaming website where you will earn points for every video you watch that include ads. Loot.tv is very similar, but their content is mostly food related. Back to Reward XP, the next category is Explore. I'm not sure about the reason for this section because they show the same games and offers that you would see on different offer walls, such as OfferToro. In Engage, you can join their Discord server to check their latest giveaways and contests. I've never participated in this, but you can potentially earn some more points by joining them. Down to the human icon, you will find your referral link that you can share with your friends and family, and where you will earn 5% of their redeem earnings. In return, your friend will receive 5,000 points as a starting bonus. You can see I haven't referred anyone to Reward XP, meaning I earn all the points myself. In the Activity tab, you can see I earn all my points through Loot.tv and Hideout TV. That's the $5 PayPal payment I redeemed earlier. And in the profile, that's just your date of birth, gender, and ethnicity. The last way to earn more points is by leveling up. So you will need to earn at least 100,000 points to unlock giveaways on Discord, 250,000 points to unlock XRP surveys, 700,000 points to increase your referral bonus to 7% instead of the 5% they offer when you first join, and up to 15% in referral earnings once you earn at least 13,750,000 points. Now, if you have any questions or encounter any issues with Reward XP, you can contact their support right here. Always make sure to read the FAQs before bothering their support. If you can't find what you're looking for, then hit submit a request to ask questions to their support team. So that's pretty much it for now. I will briefly pause the recording and get back to you once Reward XP sends me my PayPal cash I withdrew earlier. I'm back, and Reward XP sent me $5 on the 9th of May 2022, a bit after 1 AM. So it took less than 24 hours to get paid. On my PayPal account, you can see the full $5 has been transferred, and they gently ask to leave an honest review on Trustpilot. You don't have to do this, of course, but I think it would help them get even more users, and therefore get even more surveys and offers for people to earn more money. To sum up, I think Reward XP is an interesting way to earn some extra cash every single month. I do like that they pay fast and with the full amount requested, meaning they pay PayPal fees on your behalf. Many other websites don't do that, and you can end up paying very high PayPal fees. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the like button if you like this video.